Have you ever told an AI exactly what you want only to watch it completely ignore you? Sounds familiar, right? That's the hidden frustration behind vibe coding. At first, it seems magical. You type in instructions and a program appears. But very quickly, you realize the AI doesn't really listen. Instead of following your intentions, it creates its own interpretation, leaving you scrambling to fix errors you never expected. The illusion of control is powerful. You feel like the captain guiding a powerful tool, but in reality, AI quietly introduces mistakes and miscommunications. Early wins make you confident, giving you the impression that everything is working perfectly. But that confidence is a trap. The more you rely on AI without understanding what's happening under the hood, the more likely you are to face unexpected chaos. One of the core problems is that AI lacks real contextual memory. It doesn't remember what you fixed yesterday or why a previous version worked. Each iteration is treated as a fresh start, meaning your fixes can vanish in the next update. Imagine explaining something to someone who forgets instantly and does the opposite every time. That's vibe coding in a nutshell: frustrating, unpredictable, and exhausting. This miscommunication carries real costs. Time spent debugging AI generated mistakes adds up fast. Cloud services rack up hidden bills, performance slows down, and security vulnerabilities appear out of nowhere. Suddenly, what was supposed to be a fast, fun project turns into hours of cleanup and stress. And the worst part, you may not even understand why things went wrong because the AI listens in its own way, not yours. And then comes the sorcerer's apprentice effect. The more you interact with the AI, the more it seems like you're accomplishing things. But behind the scenes, complexity spirals out of control. Features start conflicting, minor changes cause major disruptions, and you're left managing chaos instead of creating meaningful progress. The false sense of productivity is intoxicating, but it's ultimately dangerous. Here's the key issue: producing code doesn't equal producing maintainable software. Celebrating AI generated output without understanding it is a recipe for disaster. Fundamentals still matter. Knowing why something works and how it fits into the bigger picture is what separates real productivity from illusion. Without that understanding, every quick fix carries hidden risk. So, can AI misbehavior be tamed? To some extent, yes. Constraining iterations with diffs, using context aware tools, and structured workflows can reduce chaos. Systems like the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, help maintain consistency across AI iterations. Neurosymbolic approaches. Blending reasoning with generative AI can also improve reliability. But no system can replace careful human guidance. You're the pilot, not the AI. The lesson for young programmers is clear. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a replacement for skill, judgment, or understanding. Miscommunication is inevitable, and frustration is a sign that you need to step back and guide the process. Anticipate quirks, plan your iterations, and always stay in control. That's how you turn AI from a chaotic assistant into a productive partner. Philosophically, this is a reminder: speed and convenience don't equal real productivity. Frustration is feedback, it tells you where you need understanding. The goal isn't just to produce code quickly, it's to create something maintainable, reliable, and valuable. Use AI responsibly, guide it carefully, and balance experimentation with control. That's the way to harness vibe coding without letting it break your projects. In the end, vibe coding is tempting, addictive even, but when AI doesn't listen, the consequences can be costly. Learn to anticipate, guide, and structure your AI interactions. Focus on understanding over output, and you'll turn frustration into mastery. After all, the best tools in the world are useless if you don't know how to use them.